and our skin wasn't good, guys. Oh, that's it. We are saying this candle is going to be down, so we can place for 5 seconds down, but it's okay. I'm not gonna placing the trade here now. We placed. I show you the history of our 3 days. 1, 2, 3. 3 days we lose only 2. Okay, no problem. It can be happens. But this is not such as I am going to talking about. That I have a high accuracy in the market. It's not gonna like that. The market is unpredictable. Market owns you nothing. Market are not gonna be doing me what it called. Let's take a 5 second. It should be down. Should be down. Oh, okay. Okay. Don't avoid the 5 second. Okay. ARS. What are we doing? ARS are trying to we see we are in a 5 second. Look, we are seeing there is a little bit. So let's move into the one. Yes, it's gonna be a up for a moment. After that, it's going to be a down. But this is a down moment we see in a moment. So this is a retest. So from retest we can place the trade. We already placed the trade here, which is after placing the trade, market going up. This is OTC market. Today is Saturday, so Saturday real market is off, so that's why we are not gonna able to trade in a Saturday royal market. That's why we choose to trade in our OTC. Rather we just wait. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, market are continuously trying to up. So let's see. Our bias is still up. It can be our still bias is up. Okay, market trying to change their move. So from this we can say, not gonna lie, market can be put down from here. Can be, as this is a so beautiful market. Market goes ups and down, ups and down, ups and down. So yeah, there is a possibility. Oh, look at this, how market create this. Okay, nevertheless market can go down from here. We gotta ensure that, well, don't break GBP JPY. Before that, we missed the trade. GBP JPY. Let's see for down. Let's see, does it make sense for placing down? Not gonna like that. We are not gonna placing the down trade anymore. GBP JPY is, does it make sense for placing trade for down? There is a level, and as well there are another level. So well guys, what do you think? there is a no such confirmations. Look, market are still moving up, so our trade is going up. This is our what it called should be. Okay, no problem, we lose the trade. This can be happen. Okay, no more trade. We just 5 second is too dangerous, you know. Look, all the 3 days we don't lose any trade, but in a 5 second we continuously losing the 3 days. That can be happen. So trading is as dangerous as it is. We place the trade off just because of, look, market should go to this level, whatever it is. This after this little bit what it called red candle, market should be go up. That's the reason, because of market has a huge volatility. So hope you guys understand 5 second is dangerous. So what do you think? Does 5 second isn't dangerous yet? If you don't think yet, please don't trade in 5 second. I show you the real example. 5 second is unpredictable, so unpredictable. 1 minute as well as a dangerous trading. Who knows? Who knows? 1 minute. Who can analyze the market? Within a 1 minute, it's too difficult. So there is a high possibility. There is at least a 5 second market can be go down. But look, ha 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 ha. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please make sure to like, comment and share, and subscribe to our channels. Should we place another trade to make it a little bit change or something like that? Okay, let's see how market actually react to this price. Market are still uptrend. Let me show you by the ray. Look, market is still in uptrend. So in the uptrend market, what can we do? Really uptrend. Okay, market can retouch here for a bit, and after that market can be continue to up, but we should wait here for a moment. Let's see market are what are doing with this level. If it's happened, we are gonna, okay, we observe the market. Okay, USDRS are doing the same thing. Okay, USDRS in a level, so we gotta have should market respect this level or not. Okay, as I said, market are just doing the rest here. Market can do many things. From here go up and down and continue the level and break this level. Afterwards it can be go up here. So this is okay, it's retouch, comes to retouch here, and okay, does it going to be down? Let's break the placing trade is up a reason. Most of the time what happened, not gonna break the level or uptrend or downtrend within a one time. Let me show you why I place the trade up. This is the market trend. Look, this is market trend in a lower time frame. So if market can be break this what it call break this trend, this should be go through another. Yeah, that's how. Look, we lose 3 trade in only 5 seconds. Don't get me wrong, please. We trade for 3 trade only in a 5 second. So whatever you are thinking, just think like that. Don't gambling. 5 second is most high accurate time gambling. Market listen. Look at this. Market listen. Uptrend, and you got to place the trade in a off. That's it. As simple as it is. Hope you enjoy this video. If you find any value in this live session or in a video, please make a thumbs ups and like, share and comment. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Drink water.